folks, it's me again. This is a weekly what's new. Not much really. Weather sucks. It's been rainy and muddy, so been waiting for dry season to go out there. I have got some things back from Powder Coat. Yay! I'll show you in this weekly. I have a freshly powder coated friend of a bike. Yay! It's the triple tree for the Honda. So I will actually be doing some work. That thing will get put back on. I think I have all the pieces. I'm excited. I actually have two of these. So it means I will probably start, I don't know if I will. I don't know if I have enough pieces for it. I think I'm missing a top bridge. But I do have a top bridge for that one. So I'm going to put the front end on. I'll probably put the rack on. I sent the battery box back to get out. He's supposed to give me some more pieces. I got two of these. I have a few more new parts. And we're cooking with gas. And if the world doesn't stop spinning this week and World War III doesn't get crazy, I might finish this by the summer. And if the way shit's going, I might have all the time in the world. The price of gas. Well, price of gas affects me as I drive back and forth, and it's getting pretty expensive because I do my own importing, and well, you know, when you got to spend $100, well, right. At first I was spending $30, and now I'm spending $50, so it went up $20. Goes up over 100. It's bad, but you know, drive on. And if I drive to get the stuff, and people come to my store, not how many people can drive to my store to get it, because the people that come to my store come from way farther than where I drive. So, but you don't want to hear that. So, but anyway, there's things moving along. I got a few more parts. I'll make a small video, show you. And that's pretty much it. Still hopping along. Still working on the house. Not as busy. I haven't made a lot of shorts lately. I got to make some more shorts. I like doing little short videos. But I think I ran out of ideas. But the spark will come back and I'll keep making some videos. So if you don't know what to do, keep like, subscribe, tell your friends. And yeah, stay safe. Thank you.